Welcome to this last lecture. What we're going to be talking about is like doing a summary of all the things we've done. I think I want to recommend that all the books have been, attached or placed on the websites. The training website should be taken care of, should be downloaded into your computer system and read through. So what we're just doing now is a cap of everything. And the project this week, after you've answered the assignments, you're going to be given a project. We just need you to do a kind of a one page website. I'm meant to actually just talk about the JavaScript, but I will want you to do a read up on that. HTML is very simple, and designing websites is also very interesting. By the time you can do that for yourself, that means you have actually saved yourself a lot of stress in the nearest future. And even if you're not going to be the one to write it, you can actually read up or read or understand what the designer or the HTML designer is actually doing for you. So what you need to do to do the assignment for this week is going to be one, log on to your computer, create a folder in your prompt, your C or your any hard disk space, any prompt that you have. E.g., just check the last lecture that we have on the style sheet, and then 3, create a HTML web page. 4, design a complete HTML put in your picture and write something about yourself on the picture. All right, remember you're going to be using your table, you're going to be using your TD, TR, TD, and you don't have to use your style sheet, you don't have to use your JavaScript. I just want to know whether you have the basic concept of what we've learned all through the month. Give it any color. 5, give it a color. So, and you can now send it to this email box. can give it a color. You can give the HTML a color, and after you've given it a color, you can send it to this email address. I think the pen is small. Let me just increase the size of the pen. Email address. You can give it the email. You can send to this email address: info@hremsoft.com. Your percentage score is going to be computed this week also. I hope you can see this. Let me write it again. Email address to send it to info@HRESOFT. Then we are going to assign you .com. We're going to assign you a score. Then you can just download by the end of next week, you should be able to see your certificate if you get above 50% of all the assignments with the project that you have been given now. So this is going to serve as your exams, and I think you should take it very serious. To understand what we are trying to say here, you can read the first two HTML template notes, HTML notepad or notes that was sent to you, or that is attached to the HTML page. By the time you download the HTML, download the information, then you'll be able to understand what we're saying here. Thank you. I hope you enjoy yourself. I hope you have fun in creating it. Welcome to the world of HTML. Bye.